Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, you will learn how you can make money from $500 a day to $1,000 a day and even more simply by copying and pasting. And you will end up making $100 an hour to $200 an hour, easy peasy. And if you stick to the end of the video, I will even show you how you can make that much money in the same method even without working in the long run. Okay, so you have to stick to the end of the video and get all the steps that I'm about to share with you. You can get paid through PayPal, through Bankwire, Bitcoin, or any other crypto or any other payment method you want to use. And you don't need experience, you don't need technical knowledge. All you need is to follow this video step by step. And in case you need, you can come back and watch this video multiple times because there are lots of information and they are in sequence. They are connected to each other. So it's important you watch the full video. And as usual, I will be giving away my premium software 100% free for my viewers. I will tell you later. Watch this video. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way you help them learn how to make money online easy way and the right way. So let's do this. In this method, we are going to exploit a website which is one of the top search engines, but it's not Google or Bing. It's one of the top social sites, but it's not Facebook or Twitter or not even YouTube. It's one of those sites, one of those top sites that people only go with buying intent. So this is where people spend their money directly, and they go to spend money. And I am going to show you how you can take that money only by copying and pasting. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Amazon Kindle Books. Remember, I promised you don't have to do anything, you just copy paste, or even easier. Before shooting this video, I have done my research very well so I can present it to you in a way that you learn fast, quickly, step by step, and you can take action and make money from today. So for that, I found a software that does the research on Kindle Books. You can get the software from the link in the description. By the way, that will be my affiliate link, so I will be benefited if you buy using my link. But in case if you buy using my link, you will get a special bonus that will help you get results faster and easier. But let's not go to the software part. I wanted to take a couple of things from this article written by the software creator. There are basically 3 steps to ensure you make book using copy paste, of course, but that book will make you money. And he specifically mentioned a couple more steps that I already implement in my business and they work perfectly. For 2 of them that will actually make you all the money, I will tell you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. But before that, let us find profitable niche that will make you money right now. Step number 1, go to Amazon.com, click on these 3 parallel lines, go to Kindle e-readers and books, click here and go to Kindle store, Kindle Books. By the way, did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way they will learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way. The right way? Absolutely. This is the right way. A lot of videos will show you the wrong way that will never make you money. They will shortcut and show you easy steps, but they are not that easy. When you will start, you will see a lot more steps that will get you confused and you will end up quitting. So instead, follow me, stick to the end of the video and you will make money. And if you share this video with your friends and family, they will also learn how to make money. So we are on Kindle ebook section. Then you go to any category, but don't go to any category, go to best sellers and more, because we are here to make money. Maybe I want bodybuilding and you want art. Maybe your friend wants shooting or hunting, maybe video making, who knows? But we are here to make money first. So let's go inside the money niches. Let's find out. Another way to go is to go for any subcategory that doesn't need technical knowledge, or a subcategory that you are an expert of, so you can have a lot of reference. You can find a lot of reference. Now I will go for, because I love my children and I love children, and the children stuff are usually super simple. Children are happy with a lot of super easy things. Can be done with drawings, colors, with a little text, rhymes. Okay, so let's go and we check for children's ebooks, and I looked at animals. When I looked at animals, you know what I found? I found a couple of warrior thing, fight thing, kitty cat thing, but there are lots of cats in the best sellers where there are lots of sales. So I'm look at this. Did you notice these are all cat stuff? Somehow Kids like cats. So this is the one thing that Pete the cat and the missing cupcakes. It has a 4,325 sales and 4.7 rating. Well, this is something where people miss out while teaching beginners how to make money. We want to look more detail in the subcategory. So I personally like children's ebooks because they are easy. Children are happy with simple stuff. So example, children's ebooks, go to animals and you look at the books, and when you scroll through, you see the books about cats are getting a lot of sales. And in case you have this software, you will even be able to explore how many pages these books have. In case you want to deeply explore, you can buy one of them. But I can assure you, a lot of these books are just rhymes and simple, a few pages books, little stories, etc. But this is just an example. You can go for any other niche or sub niche. Customers have already proven these niches, sub-niches and the topics with their credit cards. You see the number of ratings. This book has 10,774 ratings, which means this book has 10,774 ratings, which is approximately 5% of the total number of sales. Even if we just consider this 10,774 and we multiply it with the price $6, that's a $64,000 for a simple children's book. We can go on and on. We can check niches and sub niches, and you will find amazingly easy book topics that you can create using copy paste. Now let's create a book. In order to make an ebook, you first need a cover page, a design. So for that, a lot of YouTubers will show you to go to vizme.co. Well, vizme.co is an amazing tool, that is true, but it is not required. You can use Canva free version and get your ebook done. But if you look at Vizme, you will find they have a lot of built-in templates that you can simply drag and drop or simply click and use to build your book cover extremely easily. But that is only the book cover. Okay, so you can use Vizme, drag and drop, and create your amazing book cover by looking at your competitors. Why? Because this is what people are buying. Sell what's already selling. We talked about the book cover. The book cover is done. Now you need the content. Content is the most important thing because Amazon has a rating system. If your customers don't like your content, they will give you low rating and other customers will not buy your book and Amazon will not promote it. So you need high quality content as well. But I told you, you don't need to copy paste, and that's why we're going to use my software Proscribe. You can find it link in the description. So speech to text, go to speech to text and click live subscribe, and I will turn any YouTube video or audio or podcast or anything into text, and let me show you how. So I will click the live transcribe and click start. As I start, I will start this video about how to make pancakes. Let's say this is what my book is about, how to make pancakes. So I'm going to turn this YouTube video into text.
This recipe makes the softest, fluffiest pancakes, and most, if not all, the ingredients you should be able to find in your kitchen. Pour yourself a cup of coffee and whip these up for brunch this weekend. Start by measuring out 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. This recipe makes enough for 3 to 4 people.
So as I'm done, I'm just going to stop, but I'm not stopping because while as I'm speaking, my voice is turning into text. It's so amazing. Why not we read something and we talk about it using this software and our voice becomes text. This is how we can create books, articles, contents without typing, without even copying, pasting. But yeah, by the way, once you are done, you have to stop it. You have to copy this text and paste it in a document. So let me stop it, and I have to copy this text. I can just open a Google Doc and Control V, paste the text, hit enter a few times, format it, add headlines, sub-headlines, and this way I can complete my ebook. Then name it and then click File, Download PDF document. This way my PDF document is created. Oh, by the way, after your document is created, you can add your book cover on top of it. So your ebook is ready. Then the next stage is go to kdp.amazon.com, and if you already have an account, click sign in. If you don't have an account, click sign up and create your KDP account. Put your name, email, password, enter password, create your KDP account, upload your book, make sales, and make money. Now, before I share the 2 secrets I promise that I will share with you, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to hit the share button, share with your friends and family, and make sure they also learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way. Why the right way? Because there are so many other information out there that will not help you make money online. What I showed you, they are summarized, quick, to the point, step by step, and actually they will make you money online. From this software, you will get data summarized in a way you will quickly decide what kind of topic, subtopic you want to go for, what your customers are buying, and how much your competitors are charging, and how much money they are making. Now, the business secret I promise that I will share with you. Number 1, this software will give you all the data you need in a summarized manner in one page. So in one page, you know what your customers are buying, what your competitors are selling, how much they're charging, how much money they are making. You will know exactly what topic and the subtopic your customers, your target customers are looking for. So here comes 2 things. You need to be passionate about the topic, and you need to have empathy for your customers. So the combination of your passion and your empathy will help you churn out new books as fast as possible, as frequently as possible. So number 1, help your customers with your passion and your empathy. And secret number 2, I told you, churning out more ebooks. That is the secret. Do it for a long time, because your one ebook in a normal world will not make you a millionaire, but a lot of books will make you hundreds of thousands of dollars and eventually an easy millionaire. Let me give you a quick example. We know that we need to help our customers. We need to combine our passion and empathy, and that's why we are running this YouTube channel. I love to make videos. I love to share my knowledge and my experience with my customers and help them with what they want. And because we know we have to do it for a long time, we study every day, we research every day, we plan our videos every day, and we shoot videos every day. And you can see the results just in last 28 days. We got 22,335 views. Now for us, through our system, each video equals $2.2 or $2.20. Which means you can calculate how much money we made in last 28 days only from these videos, which is pretty cool. So these are the 2 secrets. Go do it and make money. By the way, in case you like our video and you want to make videos for your traffic or sell more books or sell anything you want through YouTube, yeah, YouTube is awesome. But for that, you may not like to make videos like us. You may hate cameras, no problem. Link in the description will give you our AI software that will help you make videos without you being in front of the camera, without writing a script, without even speaking. The software will do everything for you. The software will allow you to make videos just by using links. That's it. Go ahead, get that software, epic, and it's free. And hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way they will also learn how to make money online. And we will see you in the next video.